Today's TWAY is sponsored by Pouch. This is episode 19 of TWAY, this week at Yiannimize. It's very, very quiet inside, as you're going to see when we walk around. It is officially locked down at the moment. I had the police turn up straight away. That was literally on day one, because a few people phoned in and said Yiannimize should be closed. I'll put a new sign here, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more when we walk around through Yiannimize. Dino from Distinctive Detailing's here. He's washing my car at the back. There he is over there. He's actually wearing a Yiannimize t-shirt. That's quite cool. He's in the back in the wash bay, giving my car a little wash. That's his new van. It's very cool, isn't it? We need to do some branding and stuff to that. So what I've noticed inside, if you look at this, it's actually got like, it's like the Starlight roof lining on the floor, which is quite cool. Have a look at that. But yeah, that's his new van. What do you think of the colour? Do we like that? It's like, as you can see, it's very, very quiet here. Let's go into that unit. So as you walk in, you've got your little sanitizer where you've got to clean your hands, even though no customers are actually coming here, but it's still here anyway. As you come into the unit, very, very quiet, very, very somber. When the police did come in, they actually came in here and they had a look and they were like, well, you need to close. And I was like, but I've got customers' cars here. And they were like, we'll give the cars back. And I'm like, got no wheels, got no doors. What would you like me to do? I always said to me, well, how long is it going to take you to get the cars finished? And I said, maybe 3 days, 4 days. They were like, okay, then you can get the cars finished. But they did try to say to me to give the cars back with like two-tone colours. And I was like, that's not really going to work. So this car's sitting here. I've got a Tesla here as well in pieces. That needs to be finished as well. There's nothing in bay 3, but it's very weird. It's very, very silent in here. Usually it's very loud and bubbly. It's quite sad, quite sad. So in the back, my Porsche Taycan's here. It's being PPF'd. Salv is in here. Salv is in his own room. He's working on his own. So Salv is one of the staff that is still actually working. Isn't that right, Salv?
That's right.
So you happy to still be working?
Yeah, enjoying it.
So yes, at the moment I'm PPFing my Porsche Taycan. Just getting that done. As I said, this is like a enclosed room, so he's just here on his own, which is pretty much every week anyway. So this is time where you see catch up. The footage you're going to see now was shot before lockdown, so have a watch. Give me 2 minutes, mate. I've got to quickly shoot an ad. Yeah, just 1 second, bro. Is that the script, Gus?
Yeah.
Sorry, Jan, I've got to order a set of brake discs for an important client.
Are you serious?
Can I just quickly borrow your laptop because mine's playing up?
I'm about to shoot an ad,
Yeah,
mate.
just 2 seconds, man. I'll be quick. First, I've got to download browser extension on Google Chrome Store.
Mate, don't install anything on my laptop.
Trust me, I'm just going to install the Pouch extension. It's going to save us money. Don't worry about it. It'll be quick.
What's Pouch?
Pouch is basically a free browser extension that searches the internet and automatically applies discount codes.
So what you're saying to me is you're going to save me money on these brake discs, yeah? Go on, let me see.
Go to Euro Car Parts, find the brake discs I want, add to basket. Keep an eye on the price, see that 36 quid?
Yeah.
Here is where the magic happens.
Go on, let's see.
Pouch searches the net for discount codes. Oh look, 10 codes found. Try codes. You're learning, you're impressed.
How much am I saving?
Oh, hang on. Look, 52% off. Just saved us 20 quid.
All right, that's decent. That's decent. I can't argue with that. Well done. Okay, can I get back to my ad now, please?
Good though,
Yeah.
really.
Goodbye.
You probably like that though.
Actually, I like this Pouch thing. I can see it coming in very handy on Black Friday. Helps save me a lot of time and effort finding those great deals. Okay.
Oh, Yan. Let me use your laptop real quick. Sorry, bro. My headphones just broke.
Bro, are you
I
serious?
just want to show you something. Real cheap. I promise.
I need to shoot this ad.
Bro, it's £80. Is that right?
£80?
£80.
No. Hold on. Let me show you something. Add to basket. Pouch is searching the net. Boom. £12 off.
Yeah, I'm going to install that now.
You install that, but not here. I need to get back
Alright,
to work.
cool.
Let me do this ad.
Yeah. You do your thing. You do
All
your
right,
thing.
Elliot. Install Pouch to save yourself time and effort in finding the best deals online. Pouch actually works on over 3,000 UK websites. That's more UK e-commerce websites than any other browser extension. So even if you have one of those, Pouch will have more UK voucher codes for you. It's really simple, guys. You can download it via the link in the description. Right, we're good?
Yeah, done.
Ad complete? Nice. Right, back to TWAY.
This is amazing. This is a really good job. That's too much. You can't drive this, it's too much. So it's Viral Killer and Fancy Nancy. It looks incredible. Oh, just look at it. I don't know how they did it. I don't know. Bob De Niro, I don't know how they did it. I don't know. Now we just need to pump some Mob Deep and a Honda Civic spoiler. Also the alloys got wrapped black. Powder sprayed. Powder coated, yeah. These alloys were all damaged. You know, the typical chipped here, and I don't know how they did it. It just looks brand new.
How did you hear of Yiannimize? Did you know about it before? Or?
I typed into Google, the best wrapping in London.
My name is Ahmed. I have company Spin Monsters. We are specialized in BMW Audi. We mostly do carbon fiber stuff. We had used a lot of companies in the past. The experience which we have here in Yiannimize, it's just a game changer. Andrew, Bert and Yanni, they look out for us. It's just amazing. Andrew especially, I mean, he was with me throughout the whole process. Just keep in touch. A lot of other companies don't do it. At that point, we were actually very, very confident, like, okay, I think the car is actually in the right hands. Picking up the car today, it just looked like a completely different car. I can proudly say that I think this is the only M4 in the UK with this special color. But I think the buyers just smashed it, especially Nico and Mark. The car just transformed, to be honest. I can't be any more happier than this. That's all I can say, to be honest.
Is that fair enough though? But just so you can see Yiannimize, look. Yiannimize is quite good, which is clean. Yeah. No, but I need to.
You don't need chicken.
Is that fair enough? Yeah. So I should have just done that in the first. Thank you. I see loads of comments saying, Yanni, you're so fat, you've got so fat and blah, blah, blah. I have. No, you're right, I have. But there's a reason for it, and all will be revealed very soon with regards to me being a chunk. Don't worry. So as we walk into the new unit, you've got a Range Rover here in Satin Black that again needs to be finished. You see it's got no front bumper on it. My Lambo's over there, which is on trickle charge. So yeah, all three of my cars are here. Not really driving them, just the Urus is being driven. I've got a Tesla there. I think that was done in matte PPF before lockdown. We're just trying to work out how we're going to arrange for a customer to collect that. I think we could do like a click and collect where we'll take the car out the front, we can leave the key, say on the windscreen, he can transfer the money and he can take the car away so there's no interaction. I do have Nico and Mark here. So yeah, it's got the BMW, I think they still got the roof left. Guys, you still happy to be working? Yeah? Is it weird with no one here?
No, it's quiet.
It's quiet. It's quiet. They like it quiet, they like to just work them too. So it's very, very difficult for everyone. Doesn't matter what position you are in life, it's difficult. I've got a load of staff that have mortgages, they have rent to pay, they have kids, they have their own bills. So as much as people think, oh, it's okay for you, I'm responsible for all my staff. A lot of people enjoy their jobs, and a lot of people, when they're not working mentally, they find it very, very difficult, and they don't want to be stuck at home or feel that they've got no one to talk to. Look out for people, try and call them, try and see how they're doing, and show some love. Be kind. I'm going to finish the video here. As usual, thank you so much for watching, guys. Who knows what's going to happen next week? I'm not even going to finish the video like I normally do. I'll see you soon. Take care.